this bottle of whiskey on that sunset. Catch a buzz and let that turquoise blue take my breath. I could lay it on back, watch a boat sail by, stare off where the water meets the sky. As perfect as it is on a day like this, I'd rather watch you watching the waves roll in, your dirty blood blowing in the wind, water dropping on your skin from the bottom of your drink. I'd rather watch you killing me like you do, pulling down your shades, taking in the view. I could do the same right now, but I don't want to. I'd rather watch you. I can't wait for you to feel that late day cool breeze. Watch you put my t-shirt on and wrap